No rubbers were harmed in this production. So, Peter, there's your ball joint. Okay, here's your cleaned up upper control arm. You know, we could have bead blasted it and got a little fancier, but we're not here to be fancy today. We're here to make it work. So, ball joint goes just like that with the bolts. Yep. Peter's got the bolts. How many washers did they give you?
One washer with enough.
Okay, we're putting the washer on this side. Yeah, so this is going to come up in here like this. You got it?
I got it.
Well, Wick's no longer fucking around. He's got the Dremel out. Ooh, you get a spark show. All right. Now, don't forget, you got to go get wrenches to tighten this.
I know.
But we can do that in a minute. Let's get everything kind of loosey-goosey and where we want it. Cotter pin. That's for when we put it together.
What size are these?
They're probably half. Does he have a Milwaukee M12 as well?
No, his is like 20 years older.
Oh, it's got a cord on it. That's no fun. All right, so cross shaft.
And no ground type.
Yeah. Here's your old ones, and there's your new ones. You can see there's slight machining differences, but that's not going to affect anything. Our holes line up. Everything will be just fine. There's more thread on the new ones as well. So take your new one, Peter. We're going to go in. We're going to set it like that for now. Now you're going to take this guy and see how this threads here. We need to get that.
Threads on there?
Just manually do it.
Yep, we're just going to manually do it. But it threads into the arm as well. So let me
Sort of.
Put it on straight.
Yeah, let's get them started, and then we'll come in. Yeah,
Not on at all.
we need to get that.
Sorry, a little slanted.
What's
Okay
the
to
rubber?
tighten
There's
this?
rubber in there.
Yeah, the rubber seals that because when you fill it full of grease, it gets greased. There you go.
That one might be a different size.
It should be half all the way around. It's probably 13 because it's metric.
It's a half.
Was this supposed to be hard to get on?
Yes, it is tough to get on. Here. So we torqued these down. They're all nice and tight. We've got our cross shafts in and our new upper control arm bushings. We got one in all the way, then started this side, threaded in, and then got it nice and square. Kind of wish we could have shot video on that, but it took like 5 people to hold it. So
Yeah, show another one to do.
we do have another one to do, so we'll demo on that one.
Yeah,
I mean, Wick's got to finish pounding that out, though. But
you gotta put that on yet, right?
yep, we got to put the grease fittings in.
They go in
So,
there.
do you want to put the grease fittings in there
On the ends.
and there on the ends?
Yeah, because when you grease it, it'll grease
It greases inside the threads.
Hey,
And,
open the bag.
come on, Peter.
It's when the bag rips open.
They go flying.
Yeah.
We never see them again.
I lost the grease fitting.
Here, I get your scissor. Use your teeth.
The caps.
Use the key. Use the key.
$10,000 worth of caps.
To get a 38-cent grease fitting out, that.
Can't even talk about that.
There we go.
All right.
All right.
One there.
One here. There we go. Yeah, get it started. Get it started.
It's 4
Is this hand tight or we need to tighten?
We need to tighten it.
So what we need, a real small needle?
Probably
or
like
something?
7 mil. You might be able to get it with that.
I can get
That'll
it
actually
this
do,
time.
that'll actually do it. Just be really
Yeah,
gentle.
that's too hard with that.
No, Andre will get it.
Bobby, those bushing, I mean, how'd you know where to stop? Did they have a stop?
They bottom out.
They bottom out.
They bottom out. Yeah.
Did you get that tight?
No, it's too big.
So what size you think I need?
That's pretty tight.
Bottom out and that's it.
Yeah.
It moves just enough to slip past
To
it.
slip.
I'm not going to crank down on that.
Yeah.
I mean,
So-
it's tight, but not.
Basically, that's one arm.
Wow.
Ready?
With surgical precision.
We're ready. Are we assembling? Peter.
You need hands.
Peter.
Hi, guys.
assemble.
Should we do this first?
Let's get the bolts
Yeah, let's do that one.
in.
That's probably easier.
There you go.
Yeah.
Washer on the bottom, Andre.
Here's another thing.
Get the bolts through.
There's no lock washer on this?
There is on the other side.
And said he
Admired him great.
It is why did Henry Ford was a huge anti-Semite.
Oh, yeah, I just remember, that's right, yeah. Yeah, I remember that, yeah.
And in fact,
Why are we doing this upside down?
had a lot of articles.
All right, so you guys are getting that done.
We're doing it upside down.
And we haven't flipped it over.
I can't walk upside down. Sorry.
He also monitored the employees.
There you
Oh,
go.
that's right, I guess he did, yeah.
There you guys go. Getting that in.
Crazy stuff, huh?
Look at that.
So what is that?
It's Allie getting beverages. Headlamp and beverages. But you had to stop for a beverage on the way.
Poor guys with nothing to do.
You can clean some parts there.
Yeah, we got to continue cleaning that stuff.
So now what are we?
Okay.
So now we got to get this one.
But it's like, why are we using line wrenches?
That's what was brought over here.
Oh, well, what
But
do you want?
just a regular half-inch or inch.
These are
They're half.
they're
Yeah.
half, but these are actually
For
doing, like,
transmission
brake
lines.
Yeah.
transmission lines.
So
And
let's
they
take.
flex
You need a
lot
regular
more
half?
than-
Yeah, get a regular half. Start the crescent wrench. Yes. You want to run this all the way in?
Me?
Yeah.
With this?
Yes. Yes, Peter. You're building your own stuff. Keep going. It's bigger.
It's bigger.
It's bigger than it looks.
That's what I'm thinking.
I've always said that, and yeah,
Yeah. Which way am I going now?
this way.
This way.
Keep
Should be
going.
on the piece.
Shouldn't this tube be the other way?
Nope. It's gonna go up. What? I would like the ultrasonic stuff, but I don't know if we're gonna have time. So it's already hot. Are you gonna leave it? Okay, yeah, because I just. There we go. Now run that in. It gets pretty hard.
That one was too easy.
I know, right? Okay, before we get all frisky there, Peter, hang on. Because if you go in too far, you won't be able to get it in.
Oh.
So, now you got to run this in.
Just drill it out, yeah.
Okay, so we're going to put this down. There you go. Stand it up. Because that way you can press kind of down. Get it square. There you go. Now run that in, Peter. There, see? You got to put some oomph behind
How do you
it.
know it's in straight?
It'll find the threads.
What is its way in?
It's got to get past that rubber.
Is it straight though?
It's okay. Just got to thread it in now. It'll find it, Peter.
I know.
Did you hear what I said?
No way.
He said we got to get past that rubber. I'm like, don't we all?
Jesus.
Things that don't break.
No.
That's okay. Pump babies never live.
It won't, it won't break, sweetie. You're fine.
It's fine. It's fine.
If you break it, Peter, I will buy you a new one.
In the car?
No.
Fresh rubber.
Unless the parts are on back order.
Yeah.
All right.
Wow.
There you go.
Here I
You can go in a little more.
I didn't hear it snap.
Oh, it will. You don't want to go too much because we got to get this side started. So I think we're good right there. Now let's get our other one.
We didn't finish tightening that.
We will.
Okay.
Got to push that down nice and hard. And turn because you got to thread it.
Can't get it crooked, can you?
No, because it'll grab on its own. There you go.
Is this you in that car? It's the predecessor to that car. It's the car that car is your car.
Ooh, there we go. Oh yeah, you're good at this.
I'm good at this.
You've done this before. You should give a shout out to your OnlyFans.
I should. It's called Antiques Roadshow.
I would watch that. Except it would be
It'd be antique people.
Chris naked. No,
Yeah,
oh,
no.
damn
You wouldn't
it.
sleep well at night.
Like this is disappointing. I was hoping to see some Vosses or something.
This one?
I will watch Antique Roadshow. I'm an old lady. I watch a lot of old people TV, okay?
Murder, She Wrote?
No. Matlock's good, though.
Matlock, oh my god.
Golden Girls.
I like Columbo.
Columbo.
That's one of my
always
favorites.
good.
Peter fucking annoyed me.
Oh,
What?
I don't know, the eye.
but that was. Oh, the
There's
eye.
one more thing.
Well, they didn't like Sandy Duncan either, because she got that wonky ass eye.
Got the same eye.
Oh, I said that. You,
But I think I like
Bleep
she
that
was on
out.
Scooby-Doo.
We don't believe that.
Sandy Duncan was on Scooby Doo.
Yeah, remember they had
Yeah,
all
remember, you're being recorded and put on
Yeah, I know.
camera.
Like I'm running for office, please.
Well, you never know.
Yeah.
I don't know. One Google search
I
and
liked. I
Yeah.
there'd be pictures.
That'd be more than
Ew.
that. Disqualify you.
Yeah. Oh, there. Yeah. All they have to do is like, oh, him. Huh.
Cindy Lauper.
Get her.
What there's turning?
What movie is that?
I'm gonna do like under the armpit shot. Look at this
Jeff
stuff.
Goldblum. They were psychics.
I never saw
And
that.
Christopher Sand or Julian Sands, whom they found his body finally.
You keep going, Peter. You got a long way to go.
Yeah.
It's like the artistic shot.
Ooh, the glamour shot.
It's like the one between the legs. I'll show you.
You're torquing the wrong nuts.
But that was not a recognition. So.
Exactly what kind of shot you're talking about.
Yes,
Let me
exactly.
see.
An old man, but you make me work hard here.
Yeah, well, you know, that's how we do it. They don't let you do this at the old folks' home, do they?
Oh, someone drank their Ensure today.
Hope he doesn't shit his pants.
Oh.
Sorry. Peter's gonna hit me with a fucking wrench.
Get it off by your nuts.
Yeah, I know.
Well, that might take more than one hit. In case you missed.
It's a big fucking target.
Is it wedged in or?
That's in. Okay, so now let's go.
Look at you.
It's tight on one side.
No, he's got to tighten
Do
this.
that
side.
side. This way.
Which way am I going?
The other way?
Towards me.
Towards you? I feel comfortable this way.
Oh well. Grant.
Move it this way.
Oh, there you go.
You gotta get it pushed past. Remember how we did? It's really hard and then it gets better. Fuck.
Not saying a word.
The innuendo is very heavy.
Blood can be
It
used.
only hurts for a minute.
Scrape your teeth.
Jesus.
And it's just going on like that.
Bobby, why aren't you using, maybe not an impact driver, but some type of power tool?
You do not
Because we're
want to
Amish.
strip this because you have to throw the whole arm away.
Oh, God, don't tell me that.
Do you really?
Yeah, that's why we're not using
You can't strip it like that.
Okay.
You put the impact on it, you can strip it.
You don't know how strong
You're
Peter is,
almost
though.
there.
He's getting close.
Let me check. You got maybe quarter turn, eighth of a turn. You're there.
Listen for the pop.
I don't even think you even need the
didn't pop.
pop. It doesn't need the pop. Okay, keep going. A little more.
You're gonna hate the new ride.
No, it's gonna be nice.
It's too stiff.
This step.
What happened to my boulevard roll?
It's tight.
There you go. There you go, Peter.
Right.
And that's
That's it?
you assemble.
Did you just bottom out? Is that how
You didn't turn this,
Yeah,
though.
you just bottom them out.
No.
No, we didn't. We don't
can
have to
turn
turn
it
that. We can turn that with the wrench. So
Oh my
we just
God.
need to tighten this up, boys.